Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to digitize a like a split frame that you might like stitch on a towel or something, and or a pillow, and have like your family last name in here. This is a graphic that I had purchased to digitize, and I thought I would just show you how I go about and digitize this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my little uh, line stitch, and I'm going to kind of focus in on the bottom and digitize this first. So I'll start up here and I'll kind of come around here. We're not going to make it exactly the way this bunny is, because I want to try to actually get a little area more defined in here, because this area right here isn't much of a difference. So I want to try to open this up a little bit so you can see that there is a distinguishing area distinguished between like the body and that front little paw. So we're just going to go kind of around here. And bring it over and close it. So I'm going to assign a color to it. I'm going to use my marathon because I like marathon threads. So I'm going to assign this first one a medium blue color. And as you can see, it's there. So I'm going to copy, Control C and Control V to paste it in. And the first thing I will do is change the color to a different color. And I'm doing this so that the needle will stop. The very first blue that I did was for your fabric placement. You'll stitch it, lay your fabric down. This one right here will be the little tack down where you take it out then and trim it. So I will paste it again, making a different color change, and we're going to go with this soldier blue that on my screen looks purple. And this one we're going to change the parameters, and we're going to say satin stitches, but we're going to change the density to be 14, and we're just going to put this there. This is going to be kind of like the tack down that holds it down, so that when you come back through with your satin stitches, that it will cover it up and hold it down while everything's stitching. So we will paste our design one more time, and we're going to change the color to be a nice green color. And we're also going to edit this, and this last little leg that I put on here, I'm just going to actually delete this, because I want my satin stitch to run from here all the way over to here and then in, because then we have to get this piece that's going across here. So I will do my satin stitch here. I'll change this to be satin, and I'm going to put my width up to 4 millimeters. When I generate my stitches, you will see the satin stitch. And to look at it in a 3D mode, this is going to be like the little bottom part of the bunny. So next, I'm going to do a quick running stitch from this ending point over to here. And then I'm going to go from this end all the way over to this end. Make it satin stitches and a 4 millimeter. Generate it. And there you will see this closes up. So I'm going to take all 3 of these, group them, and then make it that green color. So now if we look at the 3D, there's the finished portion of the bunny design on the bottom. So next we're going to basically do the same thing with the top, and I'm going to start right here and kind of just go and kind of do this bunny. He's not going to be perfect here. Just follow it kind of on around. I don't want that quite so far. And we're almost finished. Over, generate the stitches, and there's that part of the bunny. So actually I'm going to make this, just to keep it consistent, the same color as the first section. Oops, excuse me, I'll undo that. I'm going to make this the same color as the first section of the bunny that I did. So I will just go ahead and select them both, click the same color. Then I'm going to paste this again. This will be the tack down, which is after this initial placement. So we will make it the same color. Whoops. Yeah, as the second part from the bottom. I'm going to paste it again, and I will make it this color. Oops, I'm sorry. Edit, undo. Color from catalog, select it. Now this one was the same as this one, which if you look at it was where we made it satin stitches and the density of 14. So I'm going to want to do the same thing here. This is going to produce the little kind of like tack down, you know, after you or the anchoring stitches after you trim it before you do your satin. So make this 14, generate the stitches, and there you'll see we have the little zigzag around. We're going to paste it in one more time, and we will go ahead and actually turn it this green color. Again, we're going to edit this, and this last little tail here, we're going to delete that so that it ends right here. We're going to make this satin stitches with the width of 4. And I can see that I'm actually going to want to make a little change up here. So I'm going to edit this and see if I can possibly get that with those nice smooth points like that. I want that. So I will again make a little running stitch from this end to this end. Generate my stitches, and then from here back over, make satin stitches and a width of 4. And make sure it's going the same way. Yep. So I will take these last 3 colors, I will actually group them again and make them the same green color. So here you have your little split applique that you can do on towels or pillows, or even actually Easter baskets where you might have either a last name or a child's first name in there. I'm going to delete my image. See what hoop size I had this set on, and this is a fairly large design. It's going to go into a 8x8 hoop, but you can make it whatever size you want, or make it smaller, which I probably will. But I just wanted to show you how to digitize one of these split monogram or name designs. Hope you liked the video, and we will talk to you later. Bye.